Hi guys, this is Mr. Gucci, here to give you some quick tips on how to make a slideshow that doesn't suck. When I look over a lot of students' shoulders as they're making slideshows, this is what I see, all right? And there are some quick ways that we can improve this eye-watering wall of text. First, when making a Google slideshow, you should start by selecting a theme and a slide layout that makes room for a picture or something of visual interest. So let's go to Themes, and let's just choose a fun theme. There we go. Fun theme right here. All right, look, it's orange. How nice. All right. We should also choose a layout that makes room for text and a picture. Ooh, look at this. All right. So we are going to add text to this layout here. All right, so we have a slide set up with a slightly different theme and a better looking layout. Second, you should not be writing your information in full sentences, let alone blocks of text, which makes the audience want to slip into a coma. All right, you can start writing this way to get ideas onto the slide, but then you should edit it down to a few bullet points instead. There, I've taken that block of text and broken it up into a few essential bullet points that say the exact same thing. If you don't believe me, pause the video, read the block of text, and then read the bullet points. It's the exact same thing. All right, now, once you have your bullet points, you want to make sure that your font size is greater than 24. All right, your audience needs to be able to read these slides. And if the font is too small, they won't be able to read it. There, brilliant. Oh, but Mr. Gucci, now it spills over into the next slide. Well, guess what? What you can do is just split your slides into multiple slides. It's the same amount of info. Putting them into more slides won't take more of your time. It'll just make your stuff look better. There, I've now split all the bullet points into separate slides that aren't overly cluttered. Next, you're going to want to add relevant graphs, pictures, GIFs, and embedded videos, anything that adds visual interest, but don't clutter the style. And whatever you add, make sure to have consistent style and theming throughout. Don't have every slide be wildly different. It will be jarring and distracting. In fact, sometimes it's good just to have a single slide that is just an image. All right. Sometimes it's good just to have a really nice looking image on your slide. There, I've added some basic visual interest to the slide. Our first slide here about not having a wall of text, I've included an image of a student literally bored to death by a wall of text. Here is a simple graph with some key points on how to structure your slide. Rules of three. Keep it to three concepts. Here's a slide that's just a picture. How fun you are. Lastly, the last step is finish strong. Okay, end on a strong note, a closing argument, something that keeps your presentation in the audience's memory. Let's end with a quote. These basic tips won't result in a good presentation, just one that doesn't suck super hard. You can Google more advanced presentation tips later. Quote David Gucci. And there you have it, guys. Quick tips on making a PowerPoint presentation that doesn't totally suck. Have a great weekend.